The mission of Atos Origin Spain is to place ourselves as leaders in the customer service market in Spain. Therefore, a strategy revolves around this target. We understand that the user is the core of all organizations. During the daily work, the user has to utilize devices, connections, and software. The customer service revolves around the user himself, which implies managing not only the company's technological assets but also some related ones that do not directly belong to the company. Examples are the internet, the ADSL lines, and networks, amongst other devices. The concept of customer service is established on three cornerstones: the service center, the procedures, and the technology. When it comes to the procedures, we leverage the experience of our group, having already supported over 1 million users, in order to develop the technological tools that support these procedures using ITIL, based on our experience. In regard to the service center itself, we have designated the Canary Islands as a center of excellence due to the following factors: our 10-year work experience in the region, a close collaboration with the local government, universities and professional centers, a lower cost rate in the Canary Islands when compared to Madrid and Barcelona, and finally due to the low work rotation rate we have experienced throughout these 10 years in the Canary Islands. Our center in Tenerife is the most modern Atos Origin customer care center in the world. It consolidates all the experience we have acquired from outsourcing contracts throughout a period of over 15 years. It offers customer support in various languages, 24 hours a day. With its ability to register over 100,000 calls and manage more than 150 first and second level help desk agents, this center fully guarantees the service to our clients.
A frequent request from our clients is to have access to the information on how to manage the cases that the outsourcing provider can handle without having to resort to various sources, which are difficult to consolidate within a single information source. Thanks to WASP, we have centralized all the information associated with a contract, so that it can be found in a single place, which all agents assigned to the client can access, either by following the call script flow or by searching for the keywords related to the event that they are handling. WASP has helped assemble transitions much faster and easier. It becomes unnecessary to revise the whole support delivery process. Instead, only those issues where the client prefers to make the decision as to how a particular task needs to be dealt with, such as the greeting, applications beyond the standard that need to be tackled, the persons that must be notified in case of high-risk incidents, and lists of VIP users and offices.
YCOM enables us to manage calls and emails as never seen before. The system allows us to assign different skills and profiles to each agent and contract that we manage. Based on these assignments, it routes emails and phone calls directly to the best qualified agent available at the time. As a result, we are capable of obtaining measurements and performance indicators related to the management of email, even on real time, therefore satisfying the requirements that our clients establish in outsourcing contracts. The user-friendliness of the tool allows any manager to perform operations such as call overflows, call forwarding, queue management, work groups, and skills definitions with only a few hours of training. This enables genuine real-time management of the events handled by the center. By supervising and coaching calls either through voice or via an instant messaging system, it is possible to assist the agent on where to route a call or to help him with the management of his email.
The 2-week training that all the center's agents receive before taking the first calls consists of theoretical as well as practical courses on the most widely used management tools of the market, which form part of Atos Origin Workplace Solutions. Thanks to the Unicenter Service Desk, the computer-associated IT management tool, as well as Remedy by BMC, the agents have no problem at all in managing the cases reported to them by email or telephone and establishing the procedures to bring each case to its solution, ensuring the user's satisfaction and confirming the closure of the case with the user.
Certainly, clients are requesting different methods for the delivery of the service to their users. Our clients prefer quicker and more efficient means of communication that allow the user to report cases in a simple manner and to solve specific types of events by themselves, such as resetting blocked passwords or creating and granting specific resources via self-service strategy. This is where the service portal offers its potential, which besides allowing to inform users of general incidents in the systems and thus avoiding spending time in contacting an agent for these types of cases, also allows customers to reset their own passwords, modify them and send petitions that require additional authorization in compliance with all the security requirements that the client defines for each event. The Canary Islands Center is a reference within the group service centers worldwide, thanks to the people involved, excellent professionals for a customer care center of excellence. The agreement signed between Atos Origin Canarias and the Canary Islands universities, which comprise over 50,000 registered students, a quarter of them coming from technical careers, plus the agreements with professional training centers, through which we have obtained an accreditation by the Ministry of Education to teach a service desk-oriented educational module, as well as our belief in our people, lead us to confirm and assure that the best professionals of the Canary Islands will be developing their professional careers in Atos Origin Canarias. Professionals like Mario, Inti, Sergio, Martina, Maria Cristina, Valentina, amongst many others, day by day allow us to cater for the position of this center as a center of excellence. We are entirely at the service of our clients, which is our ultimate raison d'être. Taking all this into account, we are undoubtedly going to be the customer service leaders in the Spanish market.